Hey, welcome to Equals 2. Hi. Get away from me! So I just got a new guitar for my birthday. Yeah, I know. It's my birthday soon. Everyone's calling down. Yeah, actually it's in 2 months. But
you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
nerd.
Were you that kid that always played video games all the time?
No. How do you know me? Well, we're getting towards the end of the show, so please leave your comments down there. We'll see ya. Bye. Bye. Bye.